What's up guys, today we're building Toothless, like the dragon from How to Train the Dragon movie but in meme. So this is how you build it. So first you need a 2x4 base plate, black, and then I actually don't have the pieces, so I just use technique. Need a 1x2 brick, but I have technique. I don't have normal. Then the tail, I also have this one, but that's later. I have these ones. Tail right here. Then you grab a 2x2 plate. Then these things, I got them from the Ender Dragon Minecraft set. And you need a 1x2 plate or a 1x1. So you grab these things again, then the 2x4, then the arms. I have these 2x3 plates here, then a 2x brick. Then I don't have these things, so I use this weird brick and a 1x snot brick. And then the eyes, the head, do it right here. So you need a 2x4 brick. Then you need these snot bricks. Then this guy. Then this one, I got these from the car. I actually don't know how to say it. Then these things, I got them from this 2K car dress Lego set, but I actually had to take off these to get those. That's the ears. Then the eyes, I don't have, I do, but it's a 2x snot. I actually have other eyes, but when I put these eyes in that Lego set, it doesn't really fit, so I cannot use those. So I had to use these big eyes from the owl set. Okay, then you place the head. Then I got this one left. Okay, then to put this in a snot. It's the tail, and here we go. We got Toothless. So this is what Toothless look like as a meme. If you want to build like a better one, you can, but this is my Toothless. Yeah. Here and put it right here. Hey guys. Okay guys, this is it for this video. And you see that Lego shorts at the tower? I actually upgraded. So yeah. And thanks for watching everyone, and peace out.